Tales from a 1493 world map. Playing with augmented reality.
This project is funded by a generous donation from Dr. Ko Pui-Xun. It is a collaboration between library staff and undergraduate students from diverse science and technology disciplines. Within 3 months, students contributed as web developers, digital illustrators, and storytellers to bring an antique map from our library's special collections to life through augmented reality. By recreating 2D and 3D visualizations of legendary characters depicted on the map, our team seems to transform this historical artifact into an immersive, interactive experience. Now, let's take a moment to listen to our team and students talk about their insights and journeys from working on this project.
Hi, I'm Victoria, and I'm a librarian here at HKUST who worked on this project along with the student work. So this map is really fascinating on a number of different levels. It was not state-of-the-art cartography in 1493 Europe. Instead, its point was to inspire belief and awe. What it does is it depicts the world after the flood of Noah, using a historical paradigm first made famous by Augustine of Hippo. He was an African theologian who lived in what is now Algeria in the years 354 to 430 CE. Then it uses a geographical model that was first developed by a famous scholar, Claudius Ptolemy of Alexandria, who lived in Egypt about 250 years before Augustine. Then these are all mixed with different ideas and pictures from Bible stories, tales, myths, histories, some going back even 1,000 years before that. So it's quite exciting and interesting that SciTech students here at HKUST with almost no background in the history and culture of the Mediterranean world chose to engage with this map and make monsters and other characters from stories of 2,000 or 3,000 years ago come to life. So I really hope that people who are using, engaging, and playing with the DS project, using the AR, will really enjoy learning a bit of the cultural background of the images and be inspired to explore more in cross-disciplinary areas, places where science, technology, literature, art, and all of them mixed together. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Zainab. I'm a Year 2 Computer Science plus Digital Media and Creative Arts student. I recently worked on the DS CoLab Project on the Secunda etas mundi map of the HKUST library. My main role was to research and illustrate the mythical characters on the map, and I thought it was such a unique way to combine my passion for arts with academic research and bring something meaningful to my university. The process was both challenging and rewarding. I had to dig into mythical text, piece together stories, and bring them to life using tools like Procreate and Photoshop. Each character had its own story, so I tried hard to reflect that through my illustrations. Working with my team was another highlight. We had a great creative dynamics, and I think everyone brought something very meaningful and unique to the table. And seeing the final AR map come to life was incredibly fulfilling. I feel like we built a bridge between history and technology, and I'm so proud to be a part of this journey.
Hi everyone, I'm Crystal. Our project brings the Nuremberg Chronic Road mapped into life with AR. As a 2D artist in our team, I involved 2 steps in our work. I researched the origin of our mapped creatures, which is inspired by the classical Greek texts. This finding will become a very important part in our website content. Next, I will draw another kind of creatures based on the characteristic that's given from the map. Here's some artwork that I've created for this project. I hope you enjoy our project and have a very good experience in it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Lucy, and I'm excited to share my experience working with DS CoLab Project. And it's a project created by a group of students and library staff in this semester. I've learned how to present my work confidently and enhance my communication skills working with my groupmate. And my primary role is create 3D digital models in MindAR, and including 12 wing guard heads and 12 accessories for the AR feature. Let's take a look what I have drawn for my previous work. My initial model is a wing guard have a sharp, realistic face, which is closely matching the description on the ancient maps. Also, a killer style wing guard head is involved in AR like this, and where I develop other 12 wing guard heads with space on it. And also, I create other various hairstyles and accessories like this, including double eyes and red heads. And this diverse modeling experience helped me to refine my skills and creativity. Throughout this project, I gained a lot and helped me grow both personally and professionally. I faced different challenges, including like researching the wing guard's name. Like for example, their name is always overlap, and sometimes it has some error when I creating the model. But all this enabled me to troubleshoot the problem independently and enhance my problem-solving skills.
Hello, my name is Helen, and I'm one of the student developers working on the DS CoLab Project, where we bring an ancient map to life using augmented reality. In this project, I took on several roles. One of my tasks was creating a prototype for the face decoration page. It allows users to cosplay characters from the map by overlaying their facial features in real time. As a life science student, it was my first time creating a web page. Learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and libraries for creating AR elements in such a short time was not an easy task, but bringing everything together was incredibly rewarding. I also prepared and translated descriptions for the map's characters, such as Noah's sons, wind gods, and the mythical creatures. I really enjoyed learning about their stories. It gave me a deeper understanding of how people in the 15th century saw their world, as a mix of geography, religion, and myth. Finally, I hope you enjoyed this AR experience as much as I do.
Hello everyone, I'm Sherry. I'm really happy to share my contributions and gains on this exciting project. We have brought an Asian map to life using AR technology, and I was primarily responsible for creating the website using AR technology to support 3 main sections. The first sections use image tracking to guide user from the entire map to each continent and then to each creatures. And the second section showcase the interesting characteristic of some monster and the wind guards surrounding the map using face tracking. And these 2 main sections redirect to the third sections where the interesting stories behind each creature are introduced. Throughout the journey, I not only learned about AR technologies, but also significantly improved my web development skills. The first one is effective programming, where I practice to use JSON and JavaScript in addition to pure HTML code to enhance code reusability and reduce redundancy. I also learned many practical techniques, such as language switching, hover tasks, flipping card effect, and adaptive display responding to different devices. This project has been a fantastic blend of creativity and technology, and I have deepened my web development skills and also learned about AR technology. Thank you for listening. I strongly invited you to use our website to explore this exciting map.
We invite you to explore the students' creative designs and discover the fascinating stories hidden within this remarkable map.